about 2023. Now it's 2024. I have 2 wishes for 2024. I have some reasons about my wishes. I will explain about these 2 wishes and reasons. First, I want to go Japan. Do you know Universal Studio in Japan? There is a lot of Harry Potter products, and I am a big fan of Harry Potter series. So I want to go Universal Studio in Japan. Then buy Harry Potter 1, Harry Potter costume, and Barbies. There is also a Hogwarts. Hogwarts is a magic school, and Universal Studio makes same with Hogwarts. So I want to have Hogwarts with my parents. It will be a very good memory for me. Second, I want to get more than 80 score in Korean test. My Korean academy has a Korean test in every 6 months. This test level is same with university entrance exam. Normally, I get 70 in this test. But in 2024, I want to get more than 80 score and level up. I want to be more smarter in 2023 and 2024. In conclusion, I have 2 wishes for 2024. First one is I want to go Japan, and other one is I want to get more than 80 score in Korean test. When you like my speech, please push the like button. Thank you for listening my speech.